Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys the tutorial on how to put this anchovy, or if you have WOSADO magnetic eyelashes, this will be the video for you. So yeah, before you put it on, you want to go ahead and use your eyelashes curl to curl your own eyelashes first, either the left eye or the right eye first, okay? And then after that, you're going to apply the eyelash fixer. Okay? Gonna apply this to your eyelashes. So each of this has a pair. Make sure you don't mix it. There's a left and right. On the case, it says so. 左 left, 右, and then R with the right. By the way, I'm gonna put this one back. I'm gonna use the one that I opened. So I opened this one already. This is the left, and I was testing out on the right. Oh. So yeah, this is the pair on the right. It is magnetic together right now. So when you open it from the case, you gotta make sure you separate them first. Okay? It seems like it only has one, but it's actually two in there. So with this, I'm gonna zoom in real quick. You see how it is sandwiched together, top and then bottom? So yeah, you need to separate them carefully, okay? And by the way, they have a blue dot is for the top, as you see. And then a white dot is for the bottom. And there's a applicator. Up is blue. Down, it's supposed to be white, but it cannot be white on white, or else you cannot see it. So the eyelashes has to face toward the inside here, okay? And this is what it's gonna look like. So yeah, make sure the dot is facing you. So this one has a left dot, then this one is for the left eye. So at the bottom one, you gotta make sure you see the white dot. Okay. So yeah, as if curl the same direction, and once you sandwich it together with your own eyelashes, your eyelashes will be in between these two magnets. So that's how it stays on. So you need to open the mirror. And you need to lift up your eyebrow a little bit and looking downward, and climb this to the root of your eyelashes. Okay. All right. So this is where's my eyelashes? So I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Okay. I'm going to use a mirror, or actually the phone right now, to look down. Kind of raise out the eyebrow. Wow, there you go. How do I look? How do I look? Do I look sexy? Anyway, that's how you apply the magnetic fake eyelashes. Hopefully you guys can see it. Oh yeah, by the way, if you want to remove it, you just need to take it out slowly and yank it out slowly. And there you go. Alright? Anyway, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.